about yourself, about different relations. In the given page, you can see father, mother, daughter, and son. And in the second lesson, in my body, you have learned about different body parts. So here, Yasir and Amna, both these two children are showing their different body parts. And I'm going to read for you. Ear, hand, arm, cheek, eye, face, and elbow. And hopefully you all have learned these body parts and you have done question answers in your copy. Okay, today I'm going to start lesson number 3 from unit number 2. So unit number 2 is clean and healthy. And chapter number 3 is keeping clean. So you may open page number 12. Page number 12 from your textbook of social studies. I'm going to read this page for you. Keeping clean. How do we keep ourselves clean? Here are some ways of keeping clean. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Have a bath or a shower every day. You can save water if you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth. So students, you should keep yourself clean every day because it's very important for your health, because it is saying health is wealth. Health is wealth. So every day you should take training students how to keep yourself clean. Okay, here are two images, clean or dirty. Which image do you like? Yes, definitely you like clean image. Second one, you like this one. Clean or dirty. In the given slide, you can see two dolls. First one is dirty and second one is clean. So which child do you think is better? Definitely, again, you will tick clean. Keeping clean. How do we keep ourselves clean? Here are some ways of keeping clean. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. You can save water if you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth. So when you are brushing your teeth, you turn the tap off because we should save water. So don't waste water. Next slide is have a bath or a shower every day. So students, when you take bath every day, you clean yourself and it is a healthy attitude when you take a bath every day. So in the summer, during summer, you can also take twice a day. Next, keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. Wash your hands before eating anything. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to toilet. So students, you should know in these days, it's a pandemic. So every day we are watching different videos through multimedias. So we should wash our hands at least for 20 seconds. So wash your hand carefully and after that you can save yourself. So hand washing is very important in these days. Students, when you are using washroom after that you can wash your hands. Similarly, you can clean your nose. Cut your nails regularly, keep them clean. Okay, when you see your nails are growing, so cut them nicely. Brush or comb your hair. Okay, in these days you stay at home, so you should comb your hair regularly, because sometimes we are not uh, brushing our hair. Comb your hair nicely. So that's all about the healthy attitude. And students, you should keep yourself clean every day. You can uh, clean yourself, and there are different rules you should follow how to keep yourself clean. Here are some question answers. I'm going to read for you. Question number 1. What other things do you do to keep clean? कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप वो करके अपने आप को साफ रख सकते हैं? So here are you will find some rules. Answer is I clean my ears, cut nails, wear clean clothes, and keep my books and bag clean. So in these days, students, you are at home, so you should arrange your things by yourself. Don't put your things here and there when you are taking classes. After that, you can arrange them, your books. You can arrange them in your bag, and after that, you will see a arranged room. So here in the given answer, again I am going to read for you. I clean my ears. Okay, clean your ears with cotton bud, cut nails with nail clipper, wear clean clothes. Every day you should change clothes after taking bath, and keep my books and bag clean. So as I told you, you should arrange your things because you are a student and you should show a good attitude. Question number 2. What things do you need to keep yourself clean? Answer is water, soap, towel, nail clipper, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, and clean clothes. I repeated, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनसे आप अपने आप को साफ कर सकते हैं? इसका जवाब है water. You can wash your hands. You can take shower. Soap, साबुन इस्तेमाल करके, टॉवल, नेल क्लिपर, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, and clean clothes. All these things you can use and you can keep yourself clean. On page number 12, students, page number 13, you will see the second topic, that is our clothes. We must also keep our clothes clean. Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry. When the clothes are dry, the children will fold them neatly. So in these days, you are at home, students. You can help your mother when she is doing some work. So through small chores, you can help your parents at home. This way, you feel good. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. When it is cold, we wear warm clothes. When it is hot, we wear light clothes. Okay, students, what is the work of clothes? Why we are wearing clothes? Yes, clothes are very important because they protect our body. They cover and protect our body. जब हम कपड़े पहन लेते हैं तो हम अपनी बॉडी को कवर कर लेते हैं. But the second thing is, when it is cold, we wear warm clothes. During winter, we wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters, caps, and gloves. This way we can protect ourselves from cold. Second, when it is hot, we wear light clothes. Okay, during summer, we wear light clothes and they will give you comfort also. So during summer, we wear light clothes and during winter, we wear warm clothes. So this way, we can protect our body from weather also. Okay, at school, what you wear at school? Okay, at school, we wear a uniform. We wear a uniform, our school uniform you wear. Okay, second page of question answers is, what clothes do you wear in winter? Question number 1, what clothes do you wear in winter? Answer is, we wear warm clothes in winter. We wear warm clothes in winter. Very easy. Okay, question number 2 is, what clothes do you wear in summer? Answer is, we wear light clothes in summer. लाइट क्लोथ्स का मतलब ये नहीं कि बहुत हल्के कपड़े, इसका मतलब है कि बहुत अच्छे फैब्रिक है जो जिनमें स्वेटिंग जब हमें होती है तो वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं पसीना. That means light clothes. Okay, number 3, make a list of clothes you are wearing now. Okay, in these days, what are you wearing? Here are some options. Answer is frock, shirt, knickers, shorts, and trousers. What are you wearing right now? Frock, shirt, knickers, shorts, and trousers. You will just write one answer, frock or knicker or shorts or trousers. What are you wearing right now? So this way you will write all these question answers in your social studies copy neatly. You got my point? Thank you.